crafters, welcome to my channel. Here at Crafters Autonomous, I'm giving you the knowledge and skills you need to craft it yourself. So when it's your birthday, one of the most exciting things is when people buy you these Mylar balloons. So I got some for my birthday. They're so much fun, but they reached a point where they kind of are sad because they're deflating. So what do? You pop them and you throw them out. And then next year you go and buy more, pop them, throw them out. So I thought, why not take this and turn it into something useful? So I'm gonna show you how we take these two balloons and turn them into birthday gift bags. All right, let's go. All right, so I've got this awesome Elsa balloon. I'm gonna cut the bottom part off and let the air out. So the first thing I want to do is unattach our two sides. I'm gonna just come to this seam right here and just cut it open all the way around. So now we have our two pieces. What we want to do is we want to cut each of these into matching rectangles. We want to leave enough at the bottom here. We're also gonna have to cut up the sides. So I'm gonna just kind of cut off along the bottom along here. And this you do want to be fairly straight and even across, but it doesn't have to be perfect. Just gonna cut up the sides to make them straight as well. All right, once you get the first one cut, it's gonna want to roll, just roll with it. But we want to cut out the same size, the same shape from the other bag. So what I like to do for this is call my friend scotch tape. And we're gonna just tape this one on top and then cut. Because otherwise it's gonna roll like way too much. All right, now that I've got it taped down so it lays flat for me, I'm gonna use that as my guide to cut this apart. They're obviously not exactly the same, but as long as they're close enough, we'll be good. Just take this tape off, and the tape comes off super easy. So this is one side of our bag, this is the other. The first thing we want to do is the left and right sides of the bags. We want to put them picture in and glue the left side, glue the right side, glue the left side together. So again, if you need a little bit of tape to help you out here, that's totally okay. I'm going to do little like tape curls on the bottom side. Hold my bottom one in place. All right, make sure like your pictures are facing the correct side. So I'm just going to run a thin, smooth piece of hot glue down this, and then take this guy and go pop it right on there. You do want to do this part fast though before your glue cools. We're going to repeat on the left side of the bag. So now we basically have this kind of tube kind of packaging look to it. So here's the bottom of our bag, and we're going to create the bottom of this that's going to create like the 3D bag look. We want to take this and we're going to pull this back. We don't want to pull so far back that we see the picture. We want to pull this back so that we're kind of creating this triangle shape right along here. On the left hand side and on the right hand side. So we're folding this top part back and folding those triangles down. I'm going to start on the right side here. And once I got that folded back, I'm going to put a little bit of glue right under there. And it kind of melts a little bit through the layers, but they'll pop right back apart. You can put a little bit of glue here under this part of the triangle as well. The same on this side. Once we've got to this point, we want to fold one of these sections over this middle line here. So I'm going to fold this one and fold it over the bottom line right there. I'm going to take the top and fold it up so it overlaps. And I want to glue that all together. So I'm going to run some glue right along this strip here. And then fold this section over. We need to come in with a little bit more glue in some spots just to make sure it's really secure of a hold. And now we're going to take this whole thing and inside out it. But now you have a bag that is custom made from the Mylar balloon. Of course, if we made the base wider, it'd be able to stand on its own. But you know, it's kind of got a flat bottom and rectangle sides. So the last thing to do is just add handles. If you want, you can also kind of hem down the top by just folding it over and gluing it down. I'm gonna do that to just make the top look a little more even. I'm gonna hot glue handles onto here.